Top 3 Best Car Garage Mats. Number 3. ABN Foldable Garage or Gardening Kneeling Mat EVA Foam. The 4-foot foldable mat has 6 separate, high-density foam sheets that allow the pad to be folded in half or thirds. You can easily convert this 3-in-1 cushion into a mat, seat cushion, or stool. The water-resistant surface is easy to clean, and high-quality impact-resistant foam ensures reliable support for years to come. Pros. Constructed from high-density impact-resistant EVA foam, this folding mat provides excellent cushioning from rocks, concrete, or hard soil. The folding design allows you to stack each section for maximum comfort or spread it out for multiple people. Material is resistant to water and fuel and cleans easily. Cons. Connective webbing creates gaps between padded sections, which can present issues if multiple people want to use it. Webbing can also wear out over time. Bottom line. Whether you're working in the garden, working away in your shop, or enjoying an outdoor event, this soft, foldable mat can save your knees and back from hard or rough surfaces. Number 2. Drymate Oil Spill Mat. The absorbent fabric contains leaks and the waterproof backing prevents moisture and oil from seeping through. Drymate material absorbs and contains liquids and wicks away moisture. The waterproof layer stops motor oil, brake fluid, gasoline, coolant, and prevents these liquids from soaking through. Also, our Drymate slip-resistant backing helps to keep the oil mat securely in place and prevents it from moving around. Pros. Instead of simply holding leaks from your car, this oil spill mat uses absorbent fabric that wicks away moisture for better containment. The waterproof backing prevents liquids like brake fluid and transmission fluid from seeping through. Simple to clean and reuse with soapy water and light scrubbing. Features skid-resistant bottom. Cons. Waterproof backing can weaken and melt if you live in an extremely hot area. Bottom line. Oil, gasoline, and coolant have met their match with this reusable and absorbent garage mat. Number 1. AutoFloorGuard Containment Mat. Built-in, enhanced, containment edge keeps all of the snow, ice and mud off of your garage floor. Heat-sealed watertight seams are reinforced and thermal welded for durability and functionality. Simply just unfold the mat and it's ready to use. 1-year warranty. Pros. The mat boasts improved durability and containment with commercial-grade polyester scrim and closed-cell foam edges. It uses stay-put corners to keep the product from lifting under use, and the included squeegee head makes cleaning simple. Rated for temperatures as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Cons. The foam edges can cause the mat to bunch up, which can look messy and potentially cause tripping hazards. Bottom line. This heavy-duty containment mat safeguards your floor from leaks, dirt, and any other grime that could drip from your car. To buy or check price, click the links in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.